to Olive Oil Spanish Kitchen. My name is Adam, he's Oli, and she's Yoko. Today I bring you a recipe for a cake that can be easier and more delicious. Today we are going to make Tarta de Santiago. This recipe is so easy, believe me, and it's made with ground almonds, so it's totally gluten-free. Today I will make it in a small size, so don't worry because it's not a big quantity, it's just for 6 people, so don't miss it. And let's get started with the ingredients. For this cake we need 125 grams of almonds, 90 grams of sugar, the zest of half a lemon, 2 eggs, and icing sugar for decoration. I'm going to start preparing my mold. I will put baking paper on the base. You will see how easy it is to make this cake. In the bowl of our mixture, we are going to add the eggs and the sugar, and we are going to beat very well until it doubles in volume and is creamy. Like this. Grate the ring of half a lemon. Add the ground almonds and the zest and mix well with a spatula until everything is well integrated. Pour the mixture into our mold and give a few blobs to eliminate the air. Put it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Remove from the oven and let it cool on a white rack for 15-20 minutes. Unmold carefully so that it doesn't break and let it cool completely. I will decorate it with the cross of Santiago. This template was made by my husband with the 3D printer. You can also do it with paper or cardboard. Sprinkle with enough icing sugar, remove the cross carefully, and it's ready. You will probably eat it all the same day, but if not, you can keep it out of the fridge for up to 3 days. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. It's very easy to make, and let's try it. I love it. Thank you very much guys for watching, and we will see you next Wednesday in the next video. Bye bye!